2005 Honda Civic. Key's not turning. Ignition needs repaired. So we got a screw here. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Alright. Pop this down and off. Alright, now we gotta get this screw out. Let me get these ones out real quick. Okay, so we got all the screws out. Now we have to get this one out down here. That'll be the last one, and then all this pops off. Alright, we got the screw off up here, the 2 screws off right here, and the screw off underneath up here. Now this comes off. Pull the plug out. If the plug wants to come out. There we go. Pull this one off. Pull the plug out. And I'm just going to kind of snake it in back over here. And then I always put a flathead in right here. We're going to lightly tap it in. Or just pry this one out. There we go. Alright, get it in there. I'm gonna start slowly jimming it. Jimming it back and forth, getting this cylinder all loose. Making this pin want to pop out this hole right here. Just work on this until we get it. Without breaking anything. Alright, here we go. It's starting to come out. Just a little bit of love. That's all it takes. And she's out. The pin's actually still even in there. Might be a tad bit bent, but we can straighten it out. Yeah, it's a tad bit bent. But we'll straighten it out and get it back together. Alright, ignition's out. First things first, we take off the top. Be careful not to lose it. You got that. You got a spring. You got this with a little rod in it. Spring on the back side. Sometimes that stays in the ignition housing. This key's not going to turn. That's what I've been struggling with. So, I'm going to put a drill hole right in here. Right. Okay. Drill hole straight through there. And the idea is to get, so we can get this pin out. So this is going to come through and press the pin right here. You can see it right in there. And while it's on top of the pin, directly on top of the pin, I'm going to hammer it out. It should come out the bottom side, like so. Alright, back piece comes off. For some reason the back piece don't want to come off. I don't want to damage my, there we go. Okay. Now this should come out, and you can see our problem child is this one. Some people will just remove that. Kind of depends what you want to do. But remove them, replace them. This guy, I'm actually working with him. I'm gonna do this. Some people like to just remove one pin. I most of the time actually. They'll come through and I like it where I just remove all the pins. Very small. There we go. So whatever the customer wants, it's ideal. You can replace it, replace all these pins with what they're supposed to be, make some extra money off of them, and then the pins will go bad in the future. But if you don't have the money or don't want to pay for it, just do it like this and tell them that, hey, it should work. Shouldn't stop working on you anymore. But now this little nipple right here goes towards the bottom. And now she turns. It stays in there. See, it don't really turn right now, but there's only one pin obviously holding this in. So it could run into the problem where you turn it like this, and the key does like that, and it slides right out. But I just forewarn him before, like, hey, I'm working with you, and this is what could potentially happen. And he is okay with all the possible scenarios. So, you do stuff like this, just obviously forewarn customers. Go back like that. Let's go get this back in the car. And hopefully, let me get this back in here. Sweet. Alright, I got my pin up in here. So she's locked in. Finally. Hands are sweating. It's not helping. Okay, now this goes on like so. This one goes on like so. And then we put our two little screws back on. Alright, put our four screws, 1, 2, and one up here, and one down here back on. We'll plug these in, move back. Alright. Put this back on. Put this back on. Just snaps in there. Okay, that side's on. That side's on. This top's not really. Oh, it's. There we go. There we go. Alright. Big washers go on the front. Big washer in the front. Big bolt in the back. And just like that. Easy job. I never had the problem with the ignition locking up. So, easy peasy.